Hello and welcome to Brilliant POV. The top 10 controversies at the intersection of religion and science. Number 1. The enduring debate between evolution and creationism. On one hand, some religious beliefs hold that the universe and all living things were created by a divine being, while scientific theories such as evolution propose that the universe and life have evolved over time through natural processes. This disagreement has been a source of tension for centuries and continues to be a contentious issue today. Number 2. The disagreement over the age of the Earth. Some religious texts, such as the Book of Genesis, suggest that the Earth is relatively young, possibly only a few thousand years old. However, scientific evidence from fields such as geology and astrophysics suggests that the Earth is around 4.5 billion years old. Number 3. The disagreement over the origin of life. Some religious beliefs propose that life was created by a divine being, while scientific theories propose that life emerged through natural processes such as chemical evolution or the panspermia hypothesis. Number 4. The disagreement over the existence of God. Some religious believers argue that the existence of God is a matter of faith, while others argue that there is scientific evidence for the existence of a higher power. For example, some argue that the fine-tuning of the universe and the complexity of life point towards the existence of a designer. Others argue that science and reason can be used to understand the natural world without invoking a divine being. Number 5. The debate over the relationship between religion and morality. Some argue that religion is the foundation of morality, while others argue that morality can be based on a secular understanding of human rights and empathy. Some argue that without a belief in God, there is no basis for moral principles, while others argue that moral behavior can be motivated by a sense of compassion and a desire to do good for its own sake. Number 6. The debate over the role of religion in public policy. Some believe that religious values should inform public policy, while others argue that such policy should be based on secular principles. This controversy has been particularly relevant in debates over issues such as abortion, same-sex marriage, and the role of religion in government-funded institutions. Number 7. The use of stem cells in medical research. Some religious groups oppose the use of stem cells in medical research because they believe that it involves the destruction of human life, while others support stem cell research as a potential means of finding cures for diseases. Stem cells have the ability to develop into many different types of cells in the body, and scientists hope that they can be used to regenerate damaged tissue and treat a wide range of diseases. Number 8. The role of religion in education. Some argue that religious teachings should be included in the curriculum of public schools, while others believe that education should be based on scientific and secular principles. This debate has been particularly relevant in the United States, where the separation of church and state is a central principle of the Constitution. Number 9. The role of religion in environmentalism. Some religious groups believe that humans have a moral obligation to protect the environment, while others argue that economic development is more important. This debate has been particularly relevant in discussions about issues such as climate change and the use of natural resources. Number 10. The relationship between religion and science. Some argue that religion and science are incompatible, while others believe that they can be reconciled through a belief in a divine being who created the laws of the universe. Some argue that science and religion are two different ways of understanding the world and that they can coexist. As you can see, these controversies raise important questions about the nature of our world and our place in it. They invite us to think deeply and consider the beliefs and values that shape our understanding of the world and our place in it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.